Wishing you all a very wonderful morning. Welcome to the e-classes of Ambuja Public School. Today in our English class we are going to begin the poem from Unit 5. The title of the poem is The Balloon Man. So here we begin. Let us read the poem titled as The Balloon Man. He always comes on market days and holds balloons a lovely bunch. And in the market square he stays and never seems to think of lunch. They are red and purple, blue and green, and when it is a sunny day, the carts and people get between, you see them shining far away. And some are big and some are small, all tied together with a string, and if there is a wind at all, they tug and tug like anything. Some day perhaps he'll let them go, and we shall see them sailing high, and stand and watch them from below. They would look pretty in the sky. This poem, The Balloon Man, is written by Rose Feilman. The poem Balloon Man is about a young girl who talks about a balloon man whom she often meets in the market. He carries balloons of different sizes and colors, and she wishes that he would let loose those balloons someday, which would fly high in the sky and would look very, very colorful and beautiful. Now let us see the rhyming pairs given in the poem. As you can see, this poem has 4 stanzas. The first stanza, second stanza, third stanza and the fourth stanza. Each stanza here has 2 rhyming pairs. Let us see. In the first stanza, the rhyming pair is days and stays, and bunch and lunch. Second stanza, green, between, day, away. In the third stanza, the rhyming pairs are small, all, string, anything. And in the fourth stanza, the rhyming pairs are go, below, high and sky. In this way, we have 8 rhyming pairs in all. So in the entire poem, you will find 8 rhyming pairs. Your homework is to read the poem twice and mark the rhyming pairs I have already done and shown in the video. We'll meet you soon again with the exercises of this poem. Till then, thank you and take good care of yourself.